Hi guys. So in this video, I wanted to show you how you can utilize instantly for your outbound processes on Bitscale. So I'll keep this video very simple. We'll see how you can integrate instantly on Bitscale. Then we'll import some leads using our on-platform lead import feature. And then let's just send some of those leads back to instantly, maybe with some content or personalization, something like that. And I'll show you how you can then retrieve that in the campaign section on instantly. So the campaign tab is available right here. I'll just go back to show you how it looks like. It looks something like this. So I've created this demo campaign campaign, that we will utilize for this video. For the API key, let's head over to the settings section. It's available right here in integrations. So over here you'll find the API key. You can copy it from here. I've copied mine. Let's just go back to the Bitscale platform now. Let's go to integrations, add integrations, add integration, and then you just paste your API key right here and then save, and then you're done. I already have the integration set up, so I don't need to do this anymore. I'll just cross this now, and let's get a fresh set of leads that we can work on. For that, you can simply go to create new grid, find people, put in your ICP filters as in required. So for me, let's just try to find people in the C-suite. Maybe in the US, right? And employees 51 to 200, 201 to 500. That looks good. Just preview the results. Right. We have more than 10,000 matching records. That is a very good sign. I'll just import this into a new grid for now. USC suite. Right, we have all the leads available here. So let's just set up some enrichments that would help us out. First of all, obviously we need their email ID to send them any outreach on instantly. So first let's get that. So action column, email, waterfall, yep. Let's use waterfall. Right, I'll just pass the parameters, company name, company domain, LinkedIn URL. Yep. And then I'll save. Let's run for around 10 for now. All the emails are found. Next, let's add a separate column for the personalization maybe. So I'll just make an action column, maybe enrich their LinkedIn enrichment. I'll just go to people right here. Enrich person, I'll pass the LinkedIn URL, save, and let's run for the first 10 itself. Let's see if we're able to get all the enrichments or not. Perfect. So we now have some information about them. We have their email IDs. First, let's visualize the email IDs in a separate formula column. You can do that simply by add column section right here, which you just saw. I'll just run these as well so that I can see there's no funny stuff happening anywhere. For the LinkedIn enrichment, let's do one thing. Let's create a small icebreaker that we can utilize in our outbound campaign. Fast, yes. A small prompt that I have set up. You would notice I have not given a lot of directions or steps in this prompt. I've made it quite general so that I can see what kind of result I'm getting. And then after that, I can micromanage or make some changes to the prompt so that I can get a better result, so on and so forth. So I'll just save this and run it for the first 10 rows. All right. So this is a pretty decent set of icebreakers that we can utilize. Obviously, there's always a scope of improvement. So if you feel like the language of your organization is something more lighter than this or something very creative, so you can maybe lay emphasis on that, or maybe you want something much more professional, so you can set that up as well. That would be on a case-to-case basis. But bottom line is now we have leads, their email ID is available. We have already integrated instantly, and we have a small piece of content as well, which is very personalized to each and every prospect. So there's nothing left except just pushing these leads to instantly. And for that, I'll just set up an action column and go to integrations instantly. I'll just select the account, the campaign demo, set up inputs, add lead. Email is right here. First name, I didn't really set up a different, let's just pass name for now. All right, company name here, personalization icebreaker. Right. As a matter of fact, let me split the full name into first name and last name as well. I'll just create a formula column for this. Add name dot split. I'm splitting on the basis of space, as most names have a first name and last name, so a space can be easily utilized to split that into two different parts. The 0th index is what I'm picking up for the first name. First name. Just save this. Run it for the first 10 rows. Perfect. So I'll just pass this in the first name section. I don't really want the last name since I would never be addressing them by their last name. So it's not a requirement for me. If that is a requirement for you guys, you can either use some kind of enrichment or simply a very similar formula like this. Just the index would be 1 rather than 0. So you can set that up if you want. I'll just save this. Yep. Just double checking and rename this export to instantly. Save and I'll run it. Western rows. Yep, so it is successful. All right, all was sent. I'll just check in the campaign section as well. Leads, and we have all these leads available now. So that is it. You can easily integrate your instantly account on Bitscale. Very short, quick procedure as to how you can obtain leads, enrich them, create content, and push them back to instantly. And then you can set up your campaigns as and when you want. So do reach out to our community channels if you have any questions. And please subscribe. Bye-bye.